Hello everyone, I am so excited to do a quick tour with you of our new July to December mini catalog. This is what most of us probably refer to as the holiday catalog. That's still what I call it. So it's the July to December 2021 mini catalog from Stampin' Up. Now yours is not going to come with all these little post-its pre-done. This is just marking what I want to highlight to you today in this video. So I'm just going to go through, we could literally spend hours going through page by page in every product, but I just picked up these to highlight. So we're going to start with that. So I want to point out on page 5, the Strong of Heart stamp set. This is part of our Making a Difference program. So every set that is sold, $3 will be donated to support heart health. And so I just thought that's really great that Stampin' Up! Does that, and I wanted to make sure to point that out to you so you don't miss it. Next is the Gingerbread and Peppermint Suite. It starts on page 8, and it's got some really adorable products, including a Memories and More kit for scrapbooking. This is a card that I wanted to show you that I made using some of the designer paper. I actually just cut out the ornament and snowflake right from the designer paper. Next is this Great Tidings stamp set. I know a lot of you like to do religious Christmas cards, and so I wanted to point out this new option for you this year. This is one of my favorites, the Painted Christmas Suite. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's got 2 stamp sets with coordinating dies. It's got these gold holly leaves, some gorgeous ribbon, and the designer paper. Let me flip through that for you quickly so you can see all of these gorgeous patterns. The colors in this suite are Real Red, Pear Pizzazz, so a lighter green, Evening Evergreen, Garden Green, Soft Succulent, and Early Espresso. What I love about this too, like this is a Christmas designer paper package, but you could use this on a birthday card or any other occasion that you wanted. So it's fun when there's more generic type designs that yes, they could be used for Christmas, but they certainly wouldn't have to be. So that is the Painted Christmas Suite designer paper. Definitely we'll have more of this. I'm going to do one of my upcoming card kits in the Painted Christmas Suite. So I've been playing with it. I've got some projects to show you, so stay tuned for that. All right, let's keep moving. This is my other favorite. It's called Whimsy and Wonder. And if you look at the color scheme down here, Polished Pink, Blushing Bride, Mossy Meadow, Mint Macaron, and Misty Moonlight. You've got pinks and blues and greens, definitely non-traditional colors, but super gorgeous. So first I just want to pull in this ribbon, show you that. It's really pretty Blushing Bride ribbon. And then we've got the stamp set with the coordinating dies. I can feel that I haven't had time to play with this one yet, but I can feel oh, I could turn it that way. There's another sheet of dies. So lots of dies with this stamp set. These are really fun. These are iridescent foil snowflakes. So you get 24 of these in a package. And, you know, there's all this space in between. You can punch things, die cut things, and use that iridescent foil paper that's just kind of extra there. And then the designer paper, the Whimsy and Wonder designer paper. One side of each of the sheets is foiled. Again, this is one of those generic ones that you could use on anything. This really too, you could make a really nice wedding card, anything out of that. So one side on each of these is foiled. And it's just so pretty. And it's got that iridescent, and I think that's picking it up on the camera. It's not just a foil, it's an iridescent foil. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this one might be my favorite. It's so, so pretty. I haven't had time to play with this one yet, but don't be surprised if you see Whimsy and Wonder as another one of the upcoming free card kits. Okay, let's keep on moving here. This stamp set, page 27, Happy Holidays. This is a card made with that cardinal stamp set. It's got some really sweet greetings in here as well. Next, this card has both the Be Jolly stamp set and the Holly Jolly Wishes. So I just wanted to show that one to you. Cute little Santa colored in. Really fun card. Sweet Stockings for you pet lovers. The Sweet Stocking Suite starts on page 30. And you are going to love the little cats and dogs in the stamp set and the coordinating dies. There's papers, there's felt sheets, some embellishments and ribbon, all sorts of projects. So these are some of those little decorative dot embellishments. This was actually cut out of the designer paper and then just added on here. The gifts are stamped and colored, but these this background and this dog here are both part of the designer paper, as well as the striped green background. So I know lots of you animal lovers are going to enjoy that. This Candy Canes is a giant background stamp. It's on page 35, and I think it's just so cute. I did a layer on real red on this card here. Next is the Peaceful Place Suite. It starts on page 36. And I just have a couple of cards here to share with you. It's got some fun designer paper. It's a specialty paper with some silver foil. I think you can see it reflect the light there a little bit. And then here's another one. Same suite, but just such a different look. This one with the silver foil and this one with more earth tones. Little piece of vellum here on the back. Really, really sweet cards. Next, this is Blackberry Beauty. This is more of a stamp set you can use with fall colors, some gorgeous purples and browns in here. Love that. There's also some gold shimmer vellum. This stuff is awesome. I've been using it on Christmas cards too. If you're looking for a fall stamp set with some leaves, the Gorgeous Leaves bundle, the stamp set and dies, is definitely one you'll want to check out. Then we have our Cute Halloween. So this is Cute Halloween Suite. What I often do, I don't have a need, I guess you would say, to create many Halloween cards or Halloween treats. My kids are kind of too old. I don't have a need for that right now. But I always buy the embellishments and the paper because I'm going to show you another stamp set that's got a Halloween greeting that I used with it. So we've got these papers, again, could be used for any occasion. Really fun, any occasion. Very, very useful for all sorts of things. And then these adhesive backed stars are fun. And this gingham ribbon right here, you're going to be seeing a lot of that because I can color it with my blends and make it whatever I want to be. We also have the Harvest Meadow Suite that starts on page 54. Again, just some nice fall images and colors. This stamp set here is one I wanted to point out. On page 59, Little Delights. I love this stamp set and I'm finding myself using it a lot. Christmas stamp set image, birthday stamp image, Halloween words and images, thank you, blessing. Like there's a lot that works together here. So if like me, you don't have a need for a full Halloween set, this is a great one to add to your shopping list. Little Delights. There's another one just on page 62 that's pretty versatile. Thinking, Thanks, and Peace. So again, I've got thanks, thinking of you, Christmas, Halloween, all in one stamp set. All right, I wanted to point out at the back of the catalog on page 65 is where you'll see all of the bundles, so you can go there for a quick look. And then the catalog at a glance starts on page 72. And then finally, at the very end, 78, there are some host stamp sets here that you can get when your order is $150 or more. You don't have to actually host a party. So that's my really quick tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. You will be seeing a lot more. Thanks for watching.